Hey folks, Maverick Indicators here. So already took my trades for the day, but I got some emails from you guys saying, hey, I want to see some more of the radar and how the indicators look on TradingView, because I've been posting on NinjaTrader the last few days. So just jumped on here. I'm just taking a paper trade here just because I'm already done with my trades for the day, so I don't want to over trade. But this is clear vision on the charts. Never mind the trade. That doesn't matter. I just want you to see the movement of the candle and the profit. But if you look here, look how clear vision this is. You had a sell practically right near the open here, the Maverick signals. And if you see pink, it will most likely sink. You have an A+ setup on NQ and ES, which is just beautiful here. So we're just in some micros, 12 micros. So 1.2 minis. And if you look at it, why is this such a clear chart? Well, first off, the bears are in control, red background, bears are in control. Second thing, you have hot pink candles. Hot pink is your strongest downside candle. The Maverick AI Pro colors your candles to the data, not to price and direction. So just think of it like a heat map. Hot pink is your strongest downside candle. When you see that, we have a saying, if you see pink, it will most likely sink. You got a sell signal up here. All 5 traders across 6 time frames are voting bearish. Imagine being in the room with 5 other traders, okay, that all have a different style and they're all agreeing, yeah, we're going down. All 5 traders across 6 time frames. You can actually add a 7th and change those time frames. They're all voting bearish. And then the Maverick trender is completely pegged to the top. When this line is to the top, if it's red, you're going down. If it's green, you're going up. And we have an A+ setup. Now, see how it says all aligned here? This is the Maverick radar, and it's going through our checklist of all the things we look for when we're doing a trade. And it's going through each one, and it's going to give an overall grade. And the reason why I have NQ and ES on here is because we like to see them move together. If they are not moving together, if we don't have a decent grade on both of them, you can just stay out, right? Now you can get in, you can look at this and go, oh my gosh, we got bright pink candles, we have a red background, that's enough for me. And maybe it is, you draw your support and resistance levels and you're like, we're getting to the next level here. But if you want to wait for an A+ setup, you're more than welcome. And here it is right here. You got an A+ setup to the downside on NQ, you have an A+ setup to the downside on ES, and just watch this thing. Just watch this thing drop. If you see pink, it will most likely sink, okay? So this is what clear charts look like. To me, this is edge in the market. And this is why, so many of you guys are passing eval accounts and get so many emails of you guys getting payouts, because this is you have clear vision. You can see this coming from a mile away, a sell signal. Price is below the blue line. We like to go short when price is below the blue line. We like to go long when it's above it. Down confidence arrows. Bears are in control. Maverick trender pegged to the top, and all 5 traders are voting bearish across 6 time frames. But even if you don't want to look at that, just look at the Maverick radar and let it just guide you. You have an A+ setup to the downside on both NQ and ES. And look at this thing just fly down, all right? So again, our indicators work on NinjaTrader and TradingView. And if you want clear vision, if you want what I consider edge in the market, not financial advice, do your own research, come check us out. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.